What's going on, everybody? Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. It's Worm Wednesday. I have a little experiment. I have another toilet paper roll that I only put 2 other rolls in, so the spacing is a little bigger. And I'm going to lay both of them together in and around the feeding zone and see if the worms prefer one to the other. I just got email confirmation that my Baker Creek seeds and the Gurney seeds are shipped, so hopefully I should receive them later on this week. Don't forget to subscribe down below so when the seeds do arrive, you can see the seed haul. Okay, let's hop in this bin. I had a person ask if there was holes in the lid, so I wanted to record the top just so everybody could see. There's 6 holes down by 8 holes across, so a total of 48 holes up top. There we go. Wormy. So what I'm going to do over here is where my paper towel roll is. I'm going to lay the old paper towel roll plus the new paper towel roll. And then so you can see inside, there's the paper towel roll, and there's a paper towel and a toilet paper roll inside. So there's a good amount of space to allow for oxygen, and then also if the worms want to go in. Okay. There's a little worm on there. Okay, I'm just going to put that to the side. Check where we fed. Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah, it looks good, which it should with it being all blended up. One thing I can feel is this casting broke down material, it's getting heavier. So even just moving the bin around, I can feel it's heavier. So that guy's gonna go there. This roll here, I'll moisten it up. Put that right there. Okay, so an apple core and some lettuce for this feeding. Little sand for grit, and then I also have just a little eggshell because this is that new area. And then I will put a little bit of these castings over top. Okay, so there we go. So now it's been fed over there. I'll put my coffee filter to mark the spot. Go ahead, place my newspaper on top. And I'm still leaving the bag off just to see. It was nice. There was no worms up on top. They were all underneath, so that was a good thing. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.